Light inside of me, guiding me. Finally, I can see you. Light inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to get into some fall makeup. You know, we're in December. This is like December 4th already. The month is already flying by. I could have sworn it was December 1st yesterday, but we are flying by. The time is just going away, and I want to get into at least one last fall tutorial before we start a Winter Wonderland the makeup tutorials. So yeah, let's get into this one last fall look, and we're gonna use some of those Colored Rain products that I showed you guys in the last video that I posted here on YouTube. But I've been using those often, and if you're not following me on TikTok, you need to now. I'll put it right here so that you guys can see updated tutorials from me. If I'm not here on YouTube, I'm always going to be on TikTok for as long as TikTok will have me. So yeah, so let's get into a fall look. So we're definitely going to use Colored Rain today. I don't know what kind of look. I don't know if we're going to use Colored Rain eyeshadows though, because I need to figure out what kind of look I want to do. When I hear fall, I hear gold eyeshadows, like warm browns, but I don't know if I want to do that. I want to do like a 90s warm brown lip, but I don't know what kind of eyes I want to do with that. I have to fix the settings. So the look came out really pretty. I put a little bit of rhinestones over there. I used the Juvia's Place coffee shop palette for this look, as well as the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Macao. I already told you guys what I primed with. For concealer today, I used my Too Faced Born This Way in the color Butterscotch. I used my MAC Extended Play. I don't think you can get this there anymore. I got this at the cosmetics store. What else did I use today? I also used my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige. And what else did I use? I used my Morphe Translucent Setting Powder. I used my Sephora Collection Baked Powder in the shade Ebony. I'll show you what it looks like. I used this one in the shade Ebony. I used my eye light from made by Mitchell. And that was just to dust off the bake underneath my eye. And for blush, I use Rich Bitch by One Size. I really love this blush. This is like everyday wearable blush. I love the colors. What else? The highlight is discontinued, but it's by MAC. And I can't even tell you which color this is because, oh, this is Whisper of Guilt. I'm not even sure if they have this color anymore. Now let's do the lips.